Hi friends, today I discuss some more parts of structure of cell. So the first part I discuss today, Golgi complex. Golgi complex. This is a Golgi apparatus, and its whole is called Golgi complex. Golgi complex was discovered by Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi. And the second thing, it is composed of many sac-like structure. Composed of many sac-like structure which are stacked one above another. You also see in figure, this is Golgi complex and sac-like structure which are stacked one above another. Now discuss on function of Golgi complex. Golgi complex is responsible for packaging of various substances in cell. Responsible for packaging of various substances in the cell. Now next structure is, or next part is, lysosome or lysosome. So the lysosomes are a small sac-like structure. It is also a sac-like structure, but a small sac-like structure, and they are derived from Golgi complex. Derived from Golgi complex. And lysosome contains digestive enzymes. Now discuss function of lysosome. Function. Lysosome function is, the enzyme in the lysosome digest foreign particles and thus destroy them. Sometimes the lysosome may burst open and its contents ends up digesting the content of the cell. The cell gets killed in the process. Due to this, lysosomes is also called suicide bag of the cell. So enzyme in the lysosome digest foreign particles. And destroy them. So due to this, it is also called suicide bag of the cell. So the next is ribosomes. So next is ribosome. So the ribosome is, these are tiny dot-like structure. Tiny dot-like structure interspersed in interspersed in the cytoplasm and also on the surface of rough ER. Rough ER, and it is responsible for protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. The next part is vacuoles. Vacuoles. Next part is vacuoles. Now, vacuoles, these are fluid-filled chambers and often seen in many cells. Fluid-filled chambers. Fluid-filled chambers. Fluid-filled chambers. And very large in plant cell. Very large in plant cells. And a plant cell usually has single but large vacuole. Such a vacuole fills almost the entire space inside the cell. And vacuoles are very much smaller and very few in animal cells. Very few in animal cells. The last part is plastids. Part is plastids. Plastids is, these are somewhat similar to mitochondria in appearance. Plastids are found in plant cell. In plant cell. Appearance similar to mitochondria. Mitochondria. The next thing is this. There are two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. These are two types. Chromoplast and the second thing is leucoplast. Leucoplast. Now chromoplast is now discussing this part. Chromoplast is colorful. And leucoplast is Leucoplast is colorless. Leucoplast is colorless. And chloroplast is green in color and is found in green parts of the plants. And plastids too have their own DNA and ribosomes. Now functions of plastids. Now function of plastids. Leucoplasts are responsible for storing foods, such as carbohydrate, protein and lipid. And chromoplast imparts various colors to the plant parts. A leaf of a plant is green in color because of chloroplast. So the chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. Plast is the site of photosynthesis. So these three are the function of plastids. So I hope you understand all parts of the structure of any cell. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning.